Tornado Alley. Southwestern clouds roll onto the dry plains, ushering in hurricane-forced winds. The heaven appears like a swirling mix of brown, gray, green, as Mother Nature prepares her assault. Death angels have focused their telescopic sights on rural villages and suburban cul-de-sacs. Scanning the horizon, families observe the voodoo talisman announcing the time for entrance into underground shelters. Those without root cellars or concrete bunkers huddle together in unshoveled interior closets. Most are filled with children's clothes and Sunday go-to-meeting suits hanging onto wooden rods. Interior shelters prove to be flimsy protective mantillas covering the cowering family. Fear grasps the residents like the clutches of circling hawks to unprotected rodents. And then, like the ominous blast in Nagasaki, it hits. It hits with a fury, with anger, malicious intent. Once on the ground, the tornado has the sound of a freight train crashing into a brick wall. Metal sheets wrap around ancient buildings like Christmas tinsel hung from a Christmas tree. Semi-trucks are thrown around like baseballs at a Little League game yet. There is no game here, only destruction, death. Bloodied bodies are tossed about within the storm's funnels. Homes with families inside are leveled. Mighty trees collapse onto the underground shelters. Even those cloistered within the earth are neither safe nor saved. The gods of the skies have their way as the world watches the drama played out on the Weather Channel.